parking lot. We have a Be Our Guest reservation for 8:05. It is 7:25.
It's gonna be a sunny 94 degrees.
It's so nice this morning. Yeah, my fingers actually feel like cold still from the AC, and I'm like, yeah, it's a cool feeling. Got my ears on from Shanghai Disney today. Brad and I are gonna go to Blizzard Beach later, and we're doing EPCOT for the Food and Wine Festival much later tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching our station at the entrance to Main Street, USA, gateway to the 16 lands of the Magic Kingdom. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely and the doors open. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Magic Kingdom.
Got the pumpkins back up.
Hold these lineups for the pictures. Oh.
This is a weekend.
Oh yeah. We've been so spoiled by crowds.
Yeah.
Lack of crowds all weekend, and they were like, wait, what? Saturday crowds?
What's that?
You gonna get a refresher?
You're sleeping on duty.
8:05 resos are fun because there's a lineup.
That's a brass hand.
Oh yeah, that's what?
You literally have to. I had to.
Dano will lose it if you don't try the great stuff, Brad.
Number one is open, guys. If you want to go all the way down.
Brad, you gonna try the gray stuff?
It's the best. Don't believe it? Ask the chef.
You gonna eat it?
I'll leave the cookies out of there. Want to finish my meal?
My great stuff is the best. Don't believe me? Ask the chef.
Stop. He legitimately doesn't know the words.
For a safe space flight, you should be in good health and free.
I just don't want to talk about it right now.
In the morning at the Magic Kingdom.
Now we're going over to Blizzard Beach to go swimming.
Catherine and Jordan on first. They're not coming for free. Still has an ear infection. Because they might have caught later.
Gotta eat that.
Got this whole tram to ourselves. Only ones on this tram.
Is that breeze feel good?
We're off to Typhoon Lagoon. No, Blizzard Beach. We actually ended up getting these little turkeys in on the plan. It's almost 11 o'clock though, so we're running late to get there. It should be a good time.
Hey, we're matching.
Made it! Made it! Just an hour late, but it's okay.
That's so cool.
Feels good. That is a orange magic band. The epic bump. No, see, good thing he's got snug shorts on. Bringing flashes? Maybe. Yeah, Brad, that's the advantage of having cute shorts. You were the only person who walked off without a wedgie.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, you were like,
I get on this one.
how many do you have? Some more wounds from that last ride.
Hey there.
Just push on the back.
Keep those elbows tucked in and on your mark. Get set, go!
If anything, we could just share food.
Yeah, I was gonna say I am getting a little snacky, but I
Hi, Journey. Dear summer. Dear little squirrel.
What?
Dear little squirrel.
My little squirrel? My
Squirrel. How do you do it?
Who's making this ruckus? Too shallow.
No. Try to sit on it.
This is where we're getting off, right? This is where we're getting off?
We're never getting off.
What? Yay! We're getting off here.
Follow the butterflies. Why can't it be follow the spiders?
Bye, Jade.
Here we go. Oh, there's a little drop. These are actually pretty fun. Not excited for the end of this. Oh, there's some bumps. There's some more bumps. I think they're supposed to be rapids. There's Jade getting out of the pool.
No lunchy lunch. I got my first little mystery pin pack, so I'm gonna open it. I bought this one because I thought they're all cute. Can you kind of see? There we go. The dream is to get Mickey and Minnie.
What are we doing?
Obviously.
Oh,
Opening my pin.
sorry.
Minnie.
Oh, good start.
Good stuff.
Yeah. Just good.
Shut up! I got Minnie.
Yay!
I'm so excited.
Well, that was worth it. That was definitely worth it.
Oh my god.
What are the chances of
I'm
that?
so excited. That's the dream. Look at them.
Focus. Focus. There we go.
Oh,
Oh, the Mickey one's really sparkly.
they're so cute.
Yeah, that was best case scenario.
Literally best case scenario. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
This is my final call for boarding. Final call for boarding.
This is just nice. Parked on the furthest possible parking spot in all of Epcot. It's safe to say that people have started returning to Walt Disney World after Hurricane Dorian, I think. Holy. Busy today. Brad, welcome to Disney World. This is what Disney World crowds are actually like.
Okay. It's also the weekend, maybe that.
Yeah, it is Saturday.
Also the weekend.
Oh, that hurts my feelings. There she is. Big old dress.
Get ready for some Food and Wine Festival.
Those crowds, but nobody wants to go on Nemo. Crazy people. It's so hot out there. It feels so good in here.
Get ready to ride!
Hello, sir. Are you looking for the Food and Wine Festival? It's outside. So right doing laps. There he is again. Stopped on our Food and Wine booth. What happened?
Just keep it. Sweet.
Our burger didn't have any deer cheese fondue on it, so they gave us a new one.
to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, bananas, cacao, all parts of this plant, even the flower petals, are edible. The starchy root of the plant has long been used to make flour for baking.
EPCOT and hidden Mickey lettuce is so cute. Holy, I swear we cleaned out the Borson booth.
Okay, what's next? Beef stroganoff.
On Mom's recommendation.
And then we got the Borson cheesecake.
Starting to light up. EPCOT falls so pretty when it's lit up. Bradley's holding up the whole line. One on Spaceship Bird.
Inside the vehicle.
Oh good, okay.
Shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions first. Then we'll show you a new world.
About the house, a PDA with remote control can take care of anything you forgot. You'll leave your city home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you can dive right in to the future. The end, or should I say the beginning, of your future.
Man, she cute. What? That's not right. Aw, come on, not cool. Good lighting in here. Jordan's getting nitro chocolate.
You got it?
That made me abuse my alcohol.
What'd you get, Brad?
Filet mignon.
Ooh, fancy. Brad's all fancy now.
Just a little piece of it.
Ooh.
The first time we ever came in, like being like, I'm not working, but I ended up really gonna live in their community.
Oh my goodness.
What you got there? What's that? Frozen apple pie.
It's pretty good. It's got some apple in it.
Does it have any crust?
Yeah, crust is on the top. I mixed it in.
It's good.
Yeah.
Too sweet.
It's not what you expect in a slushie though, right?
I got so
Oh! Last ride of the night, Jordan got soaked. She said more wet than Splash Mountain.
I think the safe vacation so.
Big one.
Today was the last day in the parks that we're gonna spend with Jordan and Bray, and we're super sad about that. We had tons of fun in EPCOT and we used up a ton of our snacks, which was good because we really needed to do that at the Food and Wine Festival. We ate like little piggies and all came back super stuffed,
Yeah.
but with super sore feet
It's a
and
lot of
knees
fun
and
though.
ankles and thighs from chafing.
Yeah.
But we're going to Volcano Bay tomorrow and we're so excited because both of us have never been to Volcano Bay, so it's something new for both of us. So we're going to bed now. Bye!